Grant, what are you doing in my house?
We're about to go to the World Cup game that we don't have tickets for.
He's ready. Let's do this thing.
Shift is covered. I'm on my way to Target to get American flag stuff.
Okay. Send me your address and we'll pick you up in Nashville.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, say bye. Alright, Gabe is in. Let's go. About dang time.
I'm sorry. Can't believe it's a joke. We're not going, right?
Yeah. Off we go.
Let's go. All right, Matt, what are we gonna do?
Buying the tickets. These seats are taken. Dang it!
All right,
We waited too long. All right, fine. I'll turn around.
No.
Take two.
Hey! Let's go! Hey, waka waka, hey, hey!
Oh, say that again.
I said, all right, I'm in.
Grant?
We don't have a ticket for you, but we do have we do have a Fan Fest ticket for you.
All right, we'll see you. And just like that, we've added another member of the crew.
What once was 2 is now 6.
Goal competition. Who can say goal the longest?
There's no way that was.
I was choking it.
There he is.
Yo. Hey. Oh, this ain't a dream team.
Yeah, come on, hurry up. We gotta go.
We're picking him up. Explain to the people what we're about to do.
The LCD stop, which stands for least common denominator. So as you think about the upcoming stop that you have, you got to think about what's most important. What do you have to travel? And that's gas. Gas is your number 1. Your bathroom is probably number 2, and your food is probably number 3 as far as importance goes. So really, you need to do everything within the time it takes to get gas. So if he's going to use the dumper, he needs to dump it quick.
I'm dumping it real quick.
Can you dump it quick?
Nope. Maybe I'll try.
Give me more time to splurge on the candy.
And if Gabe wants to get all the candy, he needs to get it quick.
Not a chance.
Oh, we got it.
See, yeah.
Wait. What if I just move those things and we just drive through the construction zone?
No, there's no bridge.
It's probably empty.
Look at this traffic.
Guys, we
They're all
should
trying to
have
go
stopped when we
homes.
had the chance.
So let me just
Let's play
replay
Magic
what just happened earlier. I go, Grant, stop at this love. We have 40 miles to empty. He goes, no, we'll stop at the next love. So we get to this loves and it's closed, like the exit is closed. We might run out of gas.
I wonder how close I need to be to draft behind this semi.
Is running out of gas part of the LCD plan?
Yeah, it is. You know, we just need to test the limits of our vehicle.
Yes, right there. I see an exit on the right. Yeah. And just like that.
Yeah.
Let's
We're not
go.
even to Atlanta yet.
All right, time for an LCD.
LCD.
Stop. What are we thinking, Red Bull?
Thank you, Celsius. We appreciate your sponsorship.
Grant, the gas has been up.
Hey, it's Christian's fault. He took a fat dumpy.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone,
We're here to pick up Austin. I didn't realize you live in a construction zone. We're in a little construction site. Grant's using the porta potty. No, they just. We made it to Atlanta. 3 o'clock in the morning. We're really tired. We're gonna go to bed.
It's alright, I'll just sleep on this.
Solid 2 hours of sleep.
See ya. Hey, we'll meet you at the Fan Fest.
All right, post game. How we feeling?
The powerhouse, the Democratic Republic of Congo, let us down. They were supposed to win.
Congo gave it all they had.
They just couldn't seal the deal.
It's shaping up to be a U.S. versus England World Cup final.
We just gotta win 4 more games.
USA all the way, baby.
It's alright.
Gabe, how was your day?
It was good.
What? By the way, what were you up to all day?
Would you rather England win the World Cup or get $1,000 right now? Go, congrats.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how glad are we that we came? We'll start with Gabe. We'll start from the back.
I'm gonna say like an 8. It was vibes all around. Maybe a 9. 10
Okay.
for sure. That was pretty unbelievable.
9.5, I would say. Pretty good.
8-5. Annoyed that I didn't go to the game, but it was a blast.
Yeah, I think that's what me and Austin are missing.
10 for me.
I would give it a 10. I don't think we're missing any other pieces of the puzzle to make it a fun adventure. Unless we run out of fuel, then that would really boost us up.
That would be ideal.
Yeah.
That would make the trip an 11 out of 10.
Yeah.
Bye, Atlanta. More World Cup. Great.
It's gonna be the best drive ever.
We definitely still don't have 6.5 hours. Bye. Alright, I just did the math and it's not looking good, guys. We, as of right now, if we leave with no dilly-dallying, we will get home at 2 in the morning. We're at 7 Brew right now.
There's time efficient.
USA
So-
plays in 17 minutes.
True. The USA game will keep us awake for a bit, but this was a great trip, and it's one of those things that like the excitement gets higher and higher and higher, and then the game happens, and then now it's like going below like where the graph even started.
Now we're just
It's like,
paying the
what are we
price.
doing?
Oh, did you get 2 pink mermaids?
Oh, you want 2 pink mermaids?
Yeah, one for him, one for me.
One caramel.
Sorry to the people behind us.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
15 minutes, 2 more times.
On the road again.
Grant did a great job. Just like that. Grant's dropping me off.
Almost to the end.